year and a half, I've been working really, really hard on selling things to like millions of people at a time, which is why I've gotten into video, because it's just the best medium of selling things. We've talked about this. So this storytelling format that I've been teaching is called a DFR. It just breaks down like a hero's journey or like a classic sales story very, very easily. The D stands for the dream. The dream is like what I've always wanted, what I thought was going to happen when I started anything in my life. The fall is what actually happened, and like probably something really, really terrible that occurred while I was going for the dream. And then the resolution is like what's come out of that, how I've maybe gotten to the dream or something entirely different than I could have anticipated. So for instance, Jesus, there's actually so many. So when I was growing up, I had all these fantasies of like traveling a lot, right? You're always like, oh, I'm gonna go to like Tibet and live on a mountainside. I'm gonna go to New Zealand and I'm gonna explore the Lord of the Rings place, right? And as I grew older, I started to realize being in America, it's like $1,000 US to just get to wherever you wanna go. And then it's $1,000 US to get home to make sure you don't stay in that country, not including living and expenses and everything like that. And as an 18-year-old, I was like, well, that's relatively impossible. So I just sort of gave up on all of that. And I had all my friends who had like rich parents that would constantly travel, and I had not had a passport, right? And so as I went through like my mid-20s, I was like watching all my friends do this chronic travel because they had grown up with that in their life. And I was like, maybe I'm just not a traveler. Maybe it's just like not the way I'm supposed to live. And then of course, I like bit the bullet and bought that ticket to Mindvalley University last year in Barcelona. And country 30 will be Monday in Finland. Awesome. In like 14 months. So pretty intense. So that's like a DFR, right? The dream is like, I always wanted to travel. The fall is, but I never did. You could go a lot deeper and sadder with the fall if you want to. And then the resolution is, look where I am now. So way beyond the dream. And usually that's the case. So you want to pick something that you either want to teach, which is the resolution, and then build a story around it, or you want to pick fall. I think falls are the easiest to start with. It's like, what's something bad that's happened to me, and then find out what the story around that is. What did it teach me? What was the dream originally? Like, how did I get myself in that situation? Does that make sense?